$5 for 2, or less than $5 for 12 or more, in the same amount of prep time as it takes to get through the drive-thru. The choice is yours with these super easy to make egg white bites. So let's jump right into that. The first thing you'll need is a blender or food processor. Add right into it 2.5 cups egg whites, half a cup ricotta or cottage cheese, half a cup of cheese, this could be cheddar, feta, whatever you want, and half a teaspoon of a seasoning, which we'll talk more about in a second. Blender process that mix around for 20 to 30 seconds. Next, you'll need a muffin or cupcake pan. Whatever size pan you want is completely up to you. I'm using one of these 24 spot pans. Coat that pan with non-stick cooking spray and choose your fillings. I typically go with some bacon bits or other pre-cooked meat for more protein, chopped up bell peppers, onions, and spinach. You can really customize these however you want. This recipe is more of an easy and convenient idea to get some more protein in, and they taste great both hot or cold. I'll put a bunch of different variations to this recipe on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Last, evenly distribute your mix, filling each spot almost all the way up. After you've added all your ingredients in, toss them in the oven on 350, around 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the size pan you used. Remove them from the oven, they should look like this. Outside of all the variations you can make, my biggest tip for these is to make a huge batch and freeze them. When you're ready to eat them, put them in the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds. The winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating was bang! Congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're doing the Super Bowl. Guess what you think the final score will be in the comments below. And if you get the correct score, I'll send you a gift card to our store where you can buy a shirt, shaker, or anything else you want. One guess per person. Before I end this, if you make these, drop your variations below for everyone else to try. With that said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out proteinchef.co for all your recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy and go Patriots.